Okay, let's open it. Everybody here, come on. We got the goodies from the Euro-BioImaging. See? Oh my gosh, that's nice to get presents, right?
Just before the holiday.
Hi, Jan, we don't see you. You have to come here.
Ah, okay.
Here.
No, let's check sizes. What do we have
I
here?
think all of them are the same.
They all are the same. We have M's.
And we have books, notebooks,
This is L.
quite a lot of, yeah, maybe one is small for
Let's check.
Maria. Here is more notebooks.
L.
See, we have here
Those with notebooks.
yeah.
Yes.
And we have these to put in our we have those. You know what?
Now we have to put them.
We have
Yeah.
to put it on the walls.
Yep.
We have one for here and one for the LM. Thank you very much, everybody. Come on here, guys. You can take it. This is the other one.
There is a card.
There is a
here.
card here. You want to read it?
Thank you for a great scientific year. We hope you enjoy these goodies and we look forward to new adventures in 2022.
Yeah.